Okay, I have the correct number of stitches on my needle. I am ready to turn my work and begin double knitting. So what I want to do is make sure that these yarns stay twisted. I'm going to pinch this last stitch, turn my work, and you'll see here that the dark yarn is twisting. You want to keep the dark yarn twisted over the top of the light yarn. This will help lock in your stitch. So move your dark yarn over to the left of your light yarn, keeping that locked in, and we're ready to begin knitting with our light yarn. So I'm going to go ahead and insert my needle into this first stitch. I'm going to take this light yarn that is also coming from behind, and I'm going to knit that first stitch. Pop it off the needle. Now both yarns are in back at this point, and we want to purl the next stitch, which is the back of our work. So we're going to bring both of our yarns forward. We're going to grab the dark yarn since this is a dark stitch, and we're going to purl that stitch. Pop it off the needle. Then we're going to move both yarns to the back of the work. The next stitch is the lighter color, the yellow, and we're going to knit that stitch. The next color is the dark yarn, then the back, so we're going to bring both of our yarns forward, purl that stitch, and we're going to keep knitting this way until the end of our row. Okay, I've made it to the end of my first row of double knitting. There's my cast on edge, and all we have left is the slip knot. Just be careful here because you don't want to lose that tail. So keep your working yarn secure. Go ahead and slide your needle out of the slip knot, turn your work, and get ready to knit the next row.